Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are back with our Redmi Watch 3 active, and as you can see here, okay, it's already activated. So we are going to check on the offered menus and features of this new smartwatch from Redmi, the Redmi Watch 3 active. So we are going to check on the menus, okay, the sports functions, as well as the health function of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the Redmi Watch 3 active, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. We do have that time. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here in the website of Redmi, as you can see here. Okay, so we have here some of the features. So we have 1.83-inch, okay, ultra large LCD screen. It's not an AMOLED screen but LCD screen, but still, as you can see here, it looks okay. Okay, it looks decent. We have 200 plus watch faces, 100 plus fitness modes, 5 ATM waterproof, so 12 days, so more than a week of normal usage, 1 week for heavy usage. That means you are using the sports, health, as well as the Bluetooth call. Okay, so we do have a voice calls from third-party app are supported or are not supported here, but it has a Bluetooth call. Okay, what else? So classic metallic finish middle frame. Okay, what else do we have here? So we have here the sports, okay, blood oxygen, all day heart rate monitoring, also have sleep monitoring and other functions. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's have a closer look at the menus. Okay, swipe from top to bottom, we have the notifications. Okay, from bottom to top, we have the quick settings here. Okay, so different settings here we do have. Okay, on the left side we have, okay, so somewhat like a dashboard, or I think quick access, okay, or frequently accessed menus here. So let's see. Okay, on the right side we also have here, I think these are the cards, okay, in grid format. Oh, the same with the left and right side, as you can see here. Okay, beautiful UI here. Okay, grid style. To access the main menu, I think you have to press the power off button or power on button. Okay, for the watch faces, I guess the same with other watch faces or smartwatches, we have the long press, and we have at least 3 options here. Okay, so let's check on the menus of the Redmi Watch 3 active. Let's press, and we have here the grid menus. Okay, so we have a lot of options here, but we don't have a name. So let's check if we have an option for the menu. Auto lock, 5 seconds. Let's adjust. Let's make it 30. Raise to wake, so screen on for, okay, 5 minutes. What else? Cover to sleep, double tap to wake, layout grid. So we have 2 options here, grid and list. We go for the list so we can check on the, okay, name of the menu or function. We have pin, so password. We have the system here. You have an option to reboot, power off, connect new phone, factory reset. Okay, so let's go back to the main menu here. We have workouts, activity, statistics here, heart rate. Okay, the same, as you can see, the same icon for the Xiaomi Mi Band 8 and the Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Blood oxygen here, sleep monitoring, stress, okay, function, weather. We do have an events, favorite contacts for the Bluetooth call. You have calls here, music control, camera, alarm, stopwatch, timer, find phone, and settings. Okay, so let's check for the workouts here. It says it has over 100 sports function. So walking, let's see, freestyle, hiking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, jump rope, and more. So here it is categorized in outdoor activities. This includes trekking, trail run, rock climbing, skateboarding, roller skating, parkour, and other sports. Okay, we have the training. So what's the training? Okay, we do have here rower, stair climber, stepper, core training. Okay, most of the sports here are indoor sports. We have dance, combat sports, ball sports. Okay, so we here are the ball sports here, as you can see: cricket, handball, bowling. Winter sports and recreational sports, we have archery, darts, horse riding, tug of war, hula hoop, and kite flying. So we have here a comprehensive list of sports function for the Redmi Watch 3 Active smartwatch. Very affordable smartwatch with a lot of options or features. Activity, heart rate, measure. Keep the watch still and facing upwards. Okay, let's see if it'll show a result. Okay, so it's not. Keep the watch touching your screen, so it detects whether I'm using it or not. Okay, again, let's see. 3, 2, 1. There's a countdown. Okay, so it knows that we are not using it. Okay, very good. So far it has a real time and true heart rate sensors, just not random monitoring. We have sleep monitoring, stress, okay, weather, events. Let's check the, okay, that's good for the music control here. You have an option to adjust the volume. Okay, we have camera control. Okay, I guess these are the features here. Okay, silent, you can also check, you can set the alarm. Okay, the vibration, do not disturb mode, you also have an option for that. And that's it. Okay, so as you can see, we have all the details here. Okay, and we have a good, okay, feature functions for available here in the smartwatch. Okay, beats per minute, pace, average pace, steps. Okay, stop, and okay, it's a decent looking smartwatch here. I don't know about the display here, so let's check about the border, the black border. I'm interested to see. Change. Oh no, we don't have a white background. Okay, seems like the black border is slim on top, left and right, but on the bottom part it's a bit big, I think. Okay, but you cannot notice it because of the black background also of the smartwatch. Okay, so it's a decent looking smartwatch with a very affordable price, and it has a comprehensive list of sports functions. Okay, a real-time monitoring heart rate, okay, as well as blood oxygen monitor. This is your Redmi Watch 3 Active. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye.